Right, it's the afternoon, out for a little session, only for a few hours. I just thought that I would show a little memorial. It's the old American memorial. Out with the Deus too, and I'll see you on the first hole, if there is one, that is. Not yet. I've got an 87. In theory, it should be a pound. Numbers like that. Right, it's in the scoop. Don't worry, I have got oh no, it's a £2. It's a £2. Even better. Double the bubble. So I got the £2 there. I got the 67 here. Oh. Another 87 there. Okay. 50p. Another 87 here. So. Yeah. Another £2. So I have taken the hay fever tablets. It'll take a while to kick in. Yeah, another £2. I haven't even started yet. Literally just got here. 55. I'm just leaving you running for the moment. Yeah, another coin. 5p. That's 70, not very far down. Sounds like it's in the scoop. 20p. The tide is coming in. I'm only going to be down here for a few hours. Maybe, hopefully. I don't know if he turns up, but hopefully meet up with a deeper bleeper. I was here in Deal this morning doing another video on some land. So I just thought I'd come down to the beach to get a bit of air, proper air, rather than being in a heat sauna of the fields. And then go home and have the evening with my wife, because I've kind of abused it the last couple of days. On my rest days I've stayed out until the very late hours and not really had a lot of time with her, so I'm going to give her some time before I go back to work. For a while. 70, not very far down. 20p. First signal in a long while. It's a 71 solid. I'd anticipate it's going to be a 20p piece, but it could be anything on this beach. Yeah, there it is there. Bit of green there. Bit of 20p. Yeah, it's a 20p. 20p. Oh, 70.71. Doesn't sound very good though. Out. Yeah, it's out. And the scoop. And we got another 20p. Just had a 5p out. I've got a 65 now, so it could be just a ring pull. So I'm knackered walking on this dry sand. I'm getting absolutely nothing on the wet, or, well, bar a couple of 20p's. Oh, 50p. Wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a ring pull. $95 that was. The one I didn't record.